वागीशाद्याः सुमनसः सर्वार्थानां उपक्रमे यमुनत्वा कृतकृत्याः स्युस्तं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मान्याः अद्य कजे सोमय्या धर्म अध्ययन संस्थाया एवं सोमय्या विद्याविहार विश्वविद्यालयेन अंतरराष्ट्रीय रामायण संगोष्ठी आयोजिता वर्तते। अस्यां संगोष्ठ्याम् अद्यतन अस्मिन् सत्रे अध्यक्षाः सन्ति डॉक्टर वीणा सानेकर महोदय एवं तत्र वाचकाः विद्वांसः श्रीकृष्ण काकड़े महोदयाः एवं अन्येपि ऑनलाइन मध्ये हरि महोदयाः एवं अस्याः संस्थायाः निर्देशिका सुप्रिया राय महोदया एवं संयोजिका प्राची महोदया एवं इतरे मित्राणि अध्यापक मित्राणि छात्राः बान्धवाः सर्वे अत्र उपस्थिताः सर्वेभ्यः आदम अभिनन्दनं स्वागतं च। रामायणम् इति कथनेन सर्वेषां रोमाञ्चनं, रामायणम् इति कथनेन रोमाञ्चनं जायते एव। आदिकविः आदिकाव्यं वाल्मीकिः इति प्रसिद्धः। हम सब लोग जानते हैं वाल्मीकि नाम बोलने से, रामायण बोलने से हमारा रोमांचन हो जाता है। राम, रा शब्द है, हमारा मुंह खोलता है, म बोलने से मुंह बंद हो जाता है। जस्ट आई वॉज डिस्कसिंग विद सर, रा बोलने से हमारे अंदर के जो भी गर्मी है, जो पाप है, सब निकल जाता है। म बोलने से सब बंद हो जाता है, बाहर का कोई अंदर नहीं जाता है। म, that is the scientific word, राम। सो इस रामायण का प्रभाव और रिफ्लेक्शन और कितने भी वर्षन्स, बहुत सारे वर्षन्स हैं भारत में भी, अन्य देशों में भी। अजीत सर बोल रहे थे वहां मुस्लिम धर्म में भी रामायण का प्रभाव रामायण है, और थाईलैंड में वो बोल रहे थे, सर बोल रहे थे वहां बुद्धिज्म में भी रामायण का प्रभाव है। भारत न केवल भारत, पूरे दुनिया में रामायण का बहुत सारे वर्षन्स पाठांतर मिलता है। इसलिए मेरा टॉपिक वही है, रामायण के पाठांतर। कन्नड़ यक्षगान, कर्नाटक हम जानते हैं, कर्नाटक एक सांस्कृतिक भूमि है और उसमें एक सांस्कृतिक कला है यक्षगान, यक्षगानम इति। अतः रामायणं वाल्मीकि महर्षेः रामायणम् आधारीकृत्य यक्षगाने तत्र अनेके पाठाः सन्ति। तद् प्रदर्शनमेव मम उद्देश्यमस्ति। ए स्पेशल वर्जन ऑफ रामायण इन कन्नड़ यक्षगान। कन्नड़ यक्षगान इट इज एन आर्ट। मैं बहुत सारे पीपीटी बना के लाया पर समय नहीं है, और इसमें वाल्मीकि के बारे में लिखा है। और वाल्मीकि ने रामायण लव कुश को आश्रम में पढ़ा था। सबसे पहले रामायण उपदेश लव कुश को किया। सेज वाल्मीकि द होल रामायण स्टोरी taught to Lavakusha in his ashrama very first. So that is, he has written that Ramayana, all of us know that, and Ekashloki Ramayana also there. Adau Ramada Pushpanabhigamanam Vaidehi Haranam Jatayu Maranam Sugriva Sambhashanam Vali Nigrahanam Samudra Taranam Lankam Sridahanam Paschat Ravana Kumbhakarna Haranam Yethati Ramayanam। रामायण के अनेक प्रसिद्ध घटनाओं को लेकर एक ही श्लोक में, एक श्लोक की रामायण, पूरी रामायण, द होल रामायण स्टोरी इज नरेटेड इन वन श्लोक। आदौ राम तपोवनाभिगमनम् हत्वा मृगं कांचनं वैदेही हरणं जटायु मरणं सुग्रीव संभाषणं वाली निग्रहणं समुद्र तरणं लंका त्रिदाहनं killed Ravana and Kumbhakarna, etc. एक श्लोक की रामायण। I have collected some pictures of related shloka, same shloka, Tapovana Vigamanam, and Sita Apaharanam. So Google, from Google only I got all these photos. So in next, I want to introduce about Yakshagana. Many of you have heard that word Yakshagana. Yakshagana, a great traditional theater of Karnataka, especially in coastal part, Uttar Kannada, Dakshin Kannada, and Shimoga, in Chikmagalur, some districts, especially it was in running, means that the theater is performed. It is an art, a special art. The common man cannot do this art because the scholars only can do. The Sanskrit scholars can do. Because the whole Ramayana story, knowledge of the Ramayana story is needed for an artist. So without knowledge of Ramayana or Purana, the artist cannot play the character here, role here. So Yakshagana is a traditional theater. So in Yakshagana, my topic is that only. I will go to the next point. This is the small introduction about Yakshagana. In actually, Yakshagana means it is Gana, Nritya, so based on Bharata Natya Shastra, as said in Bharata, in Natya Shastra. So Aharya and Vachika, Angika, everything, the stage decoration, everything is there. So that is called Yakshagana, and there are Bayalata, and another name of Yakshagana, Ata or Bayalata. Ata means play. Ata means the play. And Bayalata means the open theater. The Yakshagana always performed in open theater. Nowadays, in modern age, nowadays Yakshagana is played or performed in auditoriums. Actually, in olden days, in what happened, the Yakshagana was the whole night, throughout the night they perform on the stage, and many people. It is to teach the society. Actually, we know that 4 Vedas are there, Chatvaraha Vedaha. So we cannot understand all Vedas. The essence of Veda, to teach the society, to teach the essence of Veda to the society, these Puranas, Itihasa, all these granthas started from by our ancestors. So हम कमजोर होते जा रहे हैं, इसीलिए वो क्या सोचे, वेद का जो एसेंस है उसको इस तरीके से समाज को पढ़ाने के लिए ऐसा रामायण के माध्यम से, महाभारत के माध्यम से, पुराण के माध्यम से, अलग-अलग माध्यम से, शास्त्रों के माध्यम से लाए. So that is the main thought of our ancestors. This is about Yakshagana. That photo you can see in Google also, it is available. And Yakshagana, there are 2 types of performance. That is, one is stage performance with all the makeup, and without makeup also. There is one is Talamaddale. That is called sitting performance. There is no, that is, the picture is there. You can see that this one. This one is called Talamaddale. Talamaddale means the dialogue. In Yakshagana, Gana is there. Bhagavata will, with Tala, Raga, he is singing. I will show a small clip next. You can understand that. And the artist perform the dance, and later, and he will deliver his dialogue as a character, as a Rama, as a Lava, Kusha, many characters. All the characters will come on the stage and they deliver their dialogues. So this is and there are styles in Yakshagana. One is Badagutittu and second one is Tenkutittu. The Uttara Kannada, the Uttara means the North Kannada district towards Udupi onwards. So they are using Badagutittu, and in Mangalore side they are using Tenkutittu. That is called Tenkutittu. So there are 2 types of 2 styles of Yakshagana, and there are many poets. So Parthi Subbu, the Parthi Subbu is the very famous Yakshagana poet. Nowadays, all the Yakshagana artists, he belongs to 19th century. Actually, he has written the whole Ramayana in his own way, based on Valmiki Ramayana. The version is different. The story is totally different. Many imaginations are there. The poet is always imagine many things. poet is imagining many things, always imagination. तो बहुत सारे कल्पनाएं हैं यहाँ, बहुत सारे कहानी है। रामायण को आधार करके अपने ढंग से अपने ही अलग रामायण बनाया। सो यक्षगान रामायण द वर्षन, तो पाठांतर, इसीलिए मैं इसी टॉपिक को लिया क्योंकि यक्षगान में अलग पाठांतर मिलता है, रामायण का रिफ्लेक्शन वहां दिखता है। सेम स्टोरी सेम है और एसेंस वही है, और अलग अलग कल्पित कथाएं भी है, कल्पित पात्र है, बहुत सारे हैं इसमें। पार्थी सुब्बू इज वन ऑफ द फेमस, मेनी पोएट्स आर देयर, वन ऑफ द famous poet in Yakshagana field. And prasanga, that is called that chapter or adhyaya. The prasanga means the small chapters. The whole Ramayana is divided. Like number 1, Putra Kameshti. You can see, I think, Putra Kameshti, Pattabhisheka, Panchavati, Lanka Dahana, Setu Banda, and Kumbhakarnadi, Kalaga. Kalaga means Yuddha. Kumbhakarnadi Yuddha, Lavakusha, Kalaga in Ashwamedh. So many big stories that, so we don't have some time. So a special version of Ramayana, the main the theme. These stories are fully different from Valmiki Ramayana. Many things in the Yakshagana are fully imagination. So some characters are created and shown in the different way. The poet shows in his own way. वो अपने तरीके से वो अपना अपना ये दिखाया है और कैरेक्टर दिखाया, पर समाज को कभी भी गलत मैसेज नहीं दिया, पर रामायण को पढ़ाया। इसी रामायण को यक्षगान के फील्ड में चलाते रहे अभी भी बहुत सालों से। शायद यक्षगान का भी इतिहास मैं पूरा नहीं बताया अभी, वहां है बहुत इतिहास, बहुत लंबा है। ये ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट बन गया है। एक्चुअली फोक आर्ट कहते थे, फोक नहीं है, ये शास्त्रीय है, इसलिए क्योंकि भरतनाट्य शास्त्र ही आधार है इसका, इसलिए इसे। और बेस्ट एग्जांपल बताता हूं मैं आपको अभी, शूर्पणखा, पंचवटी, आई थिंक यू नो इन पंचवटी वनवास, व्हेन 14 वर्षाणि वनवास, रामः वनवासार्थं गच्छति, तदा पंचवटीम् आगच्छन्ति। पंचवटीम् आगच्छन्ति चेत् तत्र राक्षसानां बहुनां राक्षसानां आक्रमणं जायते। तत्र शूर्पणखा, भवन्तः जानन्ति, द फेमस कैरेक्टर शूर्पणखा came there. The Shurpanakha character is here. So in this Yakshagana, can I play this? So I conclude. I can conclude. Then Shurpanakha, the special version of Ramayana. Just I wanted to show that Shurpanakha. Now all I wanted to Yakshagana, so this is one of the example. So like that, many incidents, many characters. So based on Ramayana, the stories, the essence is Ramayana's only, but the characters वो कैसे अपने ढंग से समाज को एंटरटेन करने के लिए और पढ़ाने के लिए, बोधन करने के लिए कवि ने क्या किया, अपने ढंग से अलग अलग कहानी बना के गया, और कुछ वाल्मीकि रामायण में नहीं है। इसमें मैंने कुछ सारे पॉइंट लिया है, यक्षगान में जो है वो वाल्मीकि रामायण में नहीं है। सो कंपैरिजन स्टडी मैंने किया है। सो वाल्मीकि रामायण and the Yakshagana Ramayana, the comparison between these two, and that version, that Patantara, the different version of Ramayana in Yakshagana field. So next one, Lakshmana Rekha. Lakshmana Rekha is not written in Ramayana only. Valmiki Ramayana, there is no Lakshmana Rekha. So you can search all slokas in Moola Ramayana, there is no Lakshmana Rekha. When in Panchavati, Ravana came disguised as sannyasi to kidnap the Sita. So came there to kidnap Sita. So that was sannyasi vesha also. Then many stories are there in different states, in different jananga, in different stories are there. But in that when hemam asambhavam hemam mrigasya janma. So when Harina came, Maricha disguised as golden deer and came there, and you know the story. So the story, and afterwards when Rama shouted, "Hey Lakshmana, hey Sita, trahi trahi." So Rama, it is not possible. So it is there. It is not in Ramayana, and the Lakshmana Rekha, Lakshmana later, say he through the by his arrows he draw 3 lines outside the door of the ashrama and instructed Sita, don't go outside. So this story is not in Ramayana, but in Samaja, in the Asmin Loke, Evam Kathaha, Bhakyaha Kathaha, Chalanti Eva, Evam Bahavaha, Vindavaha, Santi, and Vali Moksha also behind the tree. The Rama standing behind the tree and shooting the arrows and kill the Vali. That is not there in Valmiki Ramayana. What is the need of hiding? Rama is the god, so no need of hiding. And so some stories are there. So this is Vali Moksha is there, and Lanka Dahana also, Samudra Ullangana. So there are many stories, 100 yojana actually, 700 yojana, many stories in Yakshagana. So we can see that Lanka Dahana also, and Airavana, Mairavana, Kalaga also there. And in that Yakshagana, Hanuman is having one son. When crossing the ocean, then his Shweta Bindu is fallen in the Samudra, and the Matsya Hanuman will brought up and in Patala Loka. Like that story is there. That is not in Valmiki Ramayana. Like that Agni Pariksha also there. And Rama Anjaneya Yuddha. Rama and Anjaneya both are fighting. That story is there. One prasanga is there in Yakshagana prasanga. The whole prasanga is there. But that is not in Valmiki Ramayana. So totally the different version, the special version of Ramayana is in Yakshagana. Thank you for giving this opportunity. And if any question, can you proceed?